those items. But we come here to be blessed. But what really does it mean to be blessed? Ano ba yung tunay na kahulugan na ikaw ay na-bless ng Panginoon? Ito ba ay dahil pumasa ka sa exam? Ito ba ay dahil naging safe ang iyong biyahe? Ito ba ay dahil nakapag-abroad ka? Siguro kasama yun, but I believe that the true meaning of a blessing is more than those things. Dahil ano ba yung tunay na kahulugan ng pagiging blessed? Jesus ang muling nabuhay. At kung titingnan natin, what is common among all those appearances of Jesus Christ? Ito, hindi nila kakilala